Hi dear students, in this video I am talking about isomorphous and polymorphous solids. This is from the chapter The Solid State. Isomorphous and polymorphous solids. Isomorphous and polymorphous solids. Two or more different solid substances existing in same crystalline form known as isomorphous to each other. For example, MgSO4.7H2O, FeSO4.7H2O, ZnSO4.7H2O are isomorphous to each other. And one more example, students, Na2S and Ag2S are isomorphs, right students? Isomorphous and polymorphous solids. First we are taking isomorphous solids. Two or more different solid substances existing in same crystalline form known as isomorphous to each other. Examples: MgSO4.7H2O, FeSO4.7H2O, ZnSO4.7H2O. Different composition, different solid substances, but the crystal structure is same. Those are called as isomorphous to each other. One more set of example: Na2S and Ag2S are also isomorphs, right? Now let us discuss about the polymorphs. Polymorphous solids. Existence of a substance in two or more different crystalline form with same chemical composition but different arrangement of constituent particles is known as polymorphism. Students, existence of a substance in two or more different crystalline forms with same chemical composition but different arrangement of constituent particles is known as polymorphism, right? Example: ZnS exists in two forms. Zinc sulfide exists in two forms, that is a zinc blend. One is a zinc blend structure, other one is woodsite. Woodsite structure, two structures it will exist. The composition is same, ZnS only, zinc sulfide, but arrangement of constituent particles it is different. Zinc sulfide is a cubic crystal with tetrahedral geometry, whereas woodsite is hexagonal close packing. In the case of elements, polymorphism is known as allotropy it is known as. In the case of elements, polymorphism is known as allotropes. Students, this is about isomorphous and polymorphous solids. Thanks for watching.